Every day, billions of cells in your body divide, grow, and die in a perfectly controlled way. This balance keeps your body healthy and functioning. But what happens if this control is lost? What if some cells stop following the rules and begin to grow uncontrollably? This is how cancer begins. So what actually happens when cells become cancerous? Under normal conditions, cells grow and divide in a regulated cycle. When cells become old or damaged, they are programmed to die through a process called apoptosis. This ensures that unhealthy cells are removed and replaced with new ones. But sometimes due to changes in DNA, this system breaks down. These changes are called mutations. Mutations can occur due to various factors such as smoking, radiation, harmful chemicals, infections, or even natural errors during cell division. When these mutations affect genes that control cell growth and division, cells can start multiplying without control. There are two important types of genes involved in this process. Oncogenes are genes that promote cell growth. When they become overactive, they push cells to divide rapidly. On the other hand, tumor suppressor genes normally act as brakes, stopping uncontrolled growth. When these genes are damaged or turned off, the control over cell division is lost. As these abnormal cells continue to divide, they form a mass called a tumor. Some tumors are benign, meaning they do not spread to other parts of the body. However, malignant tumors are dangerous because they invade nearby tissues and spread to other organs. This spreading process is known as metastasis, and it is one of the main reasons cancer can become life-threatening. Cancer cells also behave differently from normal cells. They can ignore signals that normally stop cell growth, avoid cell death, and even create their own blood supply through a process called angiogenesis, allowing them to grow faster. The understanding of cancer has developed over time as scientists studied how cells behave. As research progressed, it became clear that cancer is not a single disease, but a group of diseases caused by genetic changes in cells. When cancer develops, it can affect the normal functioning of organs. For example, cancer in the lungs can interfere with breathing, while cancer in the liver can affect metabolism and detoxification. Early detection is critical because cancer is much easier to treat in its early stages. Today, modern technology is playing a major role in the fight against cancer. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to analyze medical images, detect tumors earlier, and identify patterns in cancer cells. AI can help doctors diagnose cancer more accurately and even suggest personalized treatment options based on a patient's genetic profile. Cancer begins at the cellular level, but its effects can impact the entire body. Understanding how normal cells turn into cancerous cells helps us recognize the importance of prevention, early detection, and advances in medical science that continue to improve treatment and survival rates.